Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a massive, dramatic shift in how companies hire for data and the rise of what is basically the ultimate hybrid career. If you've been keeping an eye on the job market, you know the traditional lines between analyzing data and engineering it are completely blurring, and it's creating an incredibly lucrative new path. Just wrap your head around this number: 394 zettabytes. That is how much data we're projected to generate globally every single day by 2028. It's literally astronomical. Because of this massive scale, companies are absolutely drowning in information, yet somehow they're starving for actual, usable insights. They're just collecting way more data than they can possibly process using the old methods. Which brings us to a really critical and honestly super expensive question that modern businesses are struggling to answer right now. What happens when leaders have to wait weeks for a single dashboard update? The business is simply moving way faster than the technical teams can actually query the database. Let's dive right into this. In Section 1, the data team bottleneck and these overwhelmed engineers. Okay, so here's the core issue. For years, we've watched this incredibly frustrating cycle play out, right? You've got analysts just sitting there, stuck, waiting on data engineers for the most basic updates to their models. And on the flip side, these engineers are completely buried alive under endless transformation requests. It is total gridlock. Because of this gridlock, as our source material notes, the era of large siloed data teams is contracting. I mean, think about it. Startups and mid-market companies simply cannot afford to have a dedicated data engineer holding the hand of every single analyst anymore. The market is basically screaming for leaner, much more self-sufficient teams. Which leads us perfectly into Section 2. Enter the analytics engineer, our new hybrid hero. So to solve this massive operational inefficiency, a brand new hybrid role has totally taken off. The analytics engineer is a professional who sits perfectly at the intersection of data analysis and data engineering. By mastering this middle ground, they actually empower analysts to build their own pipelines. It completely severs that old dependency on traditional engineering teams to get data ready. Let's put this into perspective in Section 3, comparing the data ecosystem, using a really brilliant kitchen analogy. To really grasp where everyone fits, imagine the modern data team as a high-end professional kitchen. First up, you have the data engineer. They're essentially the kitchen builder. They are focused strictly on the heavy infrastructure, making sure the plumbing works, the massive ovens are installed, and that raw ingredients can actually enter the building securely and at scale. Next, you've got our analytics engineer stepping in as the prep chef. They take all those raw ingredients delivered by the builder, wash them, chop them, and organize them into neat, highly usable containers. They're applying the core business logic so that everything actually makes sense. And because of all that fantastic, organized prep work, it becomes totally effortless for the head chef, the data scientist, to just grab exactly what they need to create a predictive masterpiece. The data is already reliable, so they never have to waste their time hunting around for the right ingredients. This kitchen dynamic really perfectly illustrates a massive industry shift. Take a look at this comparison. Traditional data analysts, they merely consume existing pipelines using basic SQL. But the modern analytics engineer, they are actively building and maintaining them. They aren't just passively reading from a warehouse. They are writing optimized SQL, designing schemas, and handling the complex transformations all by themselves. And when we compare them directly to data engineers, the contrast is pretty stark. Your data engineers are handling the raw, unstructured infrastructure using heavy programming languages. Analytics engineers, on the other hand, are focusing intensely on clean, business-ready, modeled data using tools like SQL, dbt, and Snowflake. They are bridging that vital gap between raw code and actual business value. All right, let's get practical in Section 4, the modern hybrid toolkit, and look at the actual tools of the trade. So what exactly do you need in your toolkit to become this highly sought-after prep chef? Well, the blueprint follows a very specific sequence. Step 1, you absolutely must master advanced SQL, and I mean complex joins and window functions. Step 2 is learning dbt. Step 3, you want to pick up some practical Python for basic data ingestion and automation. And finally, Step 4 is understanding how to manage it all in a modern cloud warehouse, like Snowflake or BigQuery. Now, I want to highlight something huge here. dbt is the single most important upskill for analysts in 2026. dbt, which stands for Data Build Tool, is your absolute secret weapon. It allows you to write data transformations using actual software engineering best practices, like version control and automated testing. And the absolute best part? You really only need to know SQL to do it, which immensely lowers the technical barrier to entry. Moving right along to Section 5, certifications versus real portfolios, and how you actually go about proving your skills. So, how do you actually prove you have these skills to hiring managers who are literally desperate for this talent? Well, while multiple choice certifications are great for validating platform knowledge or maybe snagging an internal promotion, entry-level candidates get hired way faster by showing verified, applied portfolio outputs over just passing an exam. It all boils down to this simple fact. In this field, output is the credential that travels. Employers want to see that you can actually build pipelines and clean data sets in the real world. A published working dashboard connected to a clean data model that you built yourself, that is almost always going to beat a piece of paper in an interview. Show, don't just tell. Let's get to the really fun part. Section 6, the six-figure salary payoff and the financial rewards. Let's talk about the massive financial rewards waiting for those who can actually master this hybrid skill set. Because analytics engineers solve such a gigantic operational bottleneck for companies, they command an impressive average base salary of $115,000. In fact, an incredible 87% of these professionals in North America are earning well over six figures. It is just wild. And remember, that base salary, that's really just the baseline. Top-tier professionals can easily cross the $200,000 mark when you factor in the full total compensation package. We're talking performance bonuses that can range from $5,000 to $24,000 or more, profit sharing, and highly lucrative company stock options or RSUs. The upside here is tremendous. So, I'm going to leave you with this final thought to really challenge your own career trajectory today. Will you keep waiting in line for your data tickets to be resolved by an overwhelmed engineering team? Or are you ready to step up, take control of the modern data stack, and build the pipeline yourself? The choice is entirely yours, but I can tell you for sure, the market is definitely waiting.